let's take ads for a second. It was okay in the first quarter. Do we have visibility of what ads are going to be like in the second quarter?
Yeah, the pain is going to continue. We have some visibility for the month of April, and it may deteriorate. So we've seen that search ads sort of like went from strong in January and February to almost declining mid-teens by end of March, and sort of that trend sort of continued into April. There are some signs that some aspects of the business are showing flattening, if you may, but it's, to be honest, I don't think the pain is over for the advertising division side in general. YouTube was extremely strong as well in the first quarter, in fact, surprisingly so, but that also slowed down like from 30% plus growth to, significantly slower going towards the end of March. So I think, like, if you basically just look at the other side of the equation, right, you're hearing how the customers' revenues are dropping in general. Lockdowns continue to sort of like have this uncertainty as to what the durations are going to look like. So when revenues are falling, ad dollars fall with it. And the advertising side of Google's business, I think it's going to mirror what the macroeconomic trends say. What's interesting here for Google is like it's the quarter showing that the business is more diversified than they were in the last recession, especially with cloud benefiting a lot from work from home trends and the structural change or a need-driven push towards accelerating cloud adoption. With work from home, companies are trying to make sure that they're sort of like ready and prepared and adapting to technologies, video conferencing, to ability to have their employees work from home for a longer period of time. And it's really changing the culture of cloud adoption in many ways. And that culture is here to stay.
So, Jitendra,
so that the growth that they're seeing in cloud,
If you take a look then on sort of the good and the bad, basically, the risk of the weakness versus the strength, what's priced in its relative earnings value right now?
I think the weakness on the ad side was expected. What they came out was not as bad. I don't think they're out of the woods yet from the advertising perspective, so there'll be volatility on that side. But what's clear is the cloud side and the content side have some secular tailwinds over here. But at the same time, Alex, there's something else that's happening here, which is a push towards diversification. So Google is, A, managing the costs well amid this uncertainty, but B, they're seeing a lot of adoption of content across their properties, even if it's not making money, from some cloud solutions like video conferencing side, or they're seeing e-commerce adoption in terms of searches. And they're making shopping listing ads on Google free for now to benefit from the surge in e-commerce, if you may. So there's a lot of push towards diversification, which is not making money right now, but on the other side of the pandemic, it's going to add new revenue streams for this company and diversify the business even more.